More than 300 law officers here in North Texas are being outfitted this week with kits that include ballistic vests and helmets.
The money for the gear has been donated by people who want officers to have protection during the most dangerous situations. Fox 4's Allison Harris is in Richland Hills tonight with the story. Allison.
Stephen, Heather, it's a very philanthropic couple, Jeff and Kelly Dillard, who are from Fort Worth but were not here tonight, who donated almost all of these vests to these DFW departments who are receiving them, including all of the vests given out here in Richland Hills tonight. But before they did this, they outfitted the entire TCU police force. Now they're extending their support to our local police departments and sheriff's offices. It used to be that only SWAT officers had this kind of equipment.
AK-47, 30-30, 30-06, 300 Savage.
Times have changed.
These officers are out there putting their lives on the line, and they're going up against these rifle threats that it just seems like there's more and more and more of these situations. But yet, while they're trying to protect us, while they're trying to protect you, they have no protection while they're trying to do that.
Officers hope they'll never need this active shooter kit that retails for as much as $3,000. But because of private donations through the nonprofit Shield 616, 322 deputies in Tarrant and Collin counties and police officers in Fort Worth, Cedar Hills ISD, Arlington, and tonight, Richland Hills, are getting these kits, gear the departments might not be able to afford otherwise.
This is what saves them.
I don't even think that words can express the true meaning and the gratitude.
Jake Schiffstad founded this initiative because he saw the need firsthand. He was a Colorado Springs police officer.
That was part of the Planned Parenthood active shooter where we had 5 officers shot and a friend of mine was killed. It is so terrifying to have to go through that doorway when there's full automatic gunfire on the other side.
We have to transition from what we call being guardians to warriors, and they have provided that equipment to allow us to make that transition.
Denver Broncos player Von Miller has also gotten involved with this organization. He's from DeSoto, Texas. He apparently has some friends with the Arlington Police Department, so he has donated 10 vests to give to them. This organization is going to give out 100 more vests, 100 more of these active shooter kits tomorrow, and those will go to Tarrant County, Collin County, and Arlington Police. It means a lot to these police officers.